Welcome back to the SaaT System Channel, where we dive deep into digital trends, emerging technologies, and smart ways to build lasting wealth in our fast-evolving world. Today, we're exploring Bitcoin, not as a speculative trade or fleeting headline, but as money, true revolutionary money. Bitcoin is the first native currency of cyberspace, secure, transparent, borderless, inflation-resistant, and truly owned by you, the holder. In this video, we'll uncover why Bitcoin is hailed as the perfect currency for the digital age. We'll compare it to fiat money, gold, real estate, traditional banks, and reveal why it marks a profound shift in how we store and transfer value worldwide. Let's dive in. Every great leap in civilization has demanded a matching evolution in money. Agriculture gave us commodity money like shells, grains, and livestock. The Industrial Revolution brought banking systems and paper currency backed by governments. Then came the internet, creating a vast cyberspace. But our money stayed trapped in physical forms and controlled by nation-states. Bitcoin changes that. It's the first money born specifically for cyberspace. It's not just another digital asset or an investment fad. Bitcoin is a monetary protocol, built from the ground up to fix the deep flaws in traditional money: centralization, inflation, and the need to trust third parties. Think about it. As our lives move online for work, communication, and commerce, why should our money lag behind, tied to old-world institutions? Bitcoin completes the digital revolution by providing money that is as native to the internet as email or websites. Imagine a global bank that's always open, with no executives, no branches, no borders, and zero counterparty risk. That's Bitcoin. When you hold Bitcoin, you're depositing value into the ultimate cyberspace bank. Your Bitcoin address is your account number. Your seed phrase is your unbreakable PIN, vault key, and proof of ownership all in one. No bank, no government, and no middleman stands between you and your funds. Access is permissionless, instant, and available 24/7 by 365, anywhere with an internet connection. It's banking reinvented for the digital era, decentralized and unstoppable. Bitcoin security dwarfs any traditional bank. It's guarded by the world's strongest cryptography and a massive decentralized global network. Consider these key facts. It has been running for over 16 years without a single protocol-level breach. Transactions are locked by digital signatures and a consensus mechanism called proof of work. This is all powered by miners worldwide, making attacks nearly impossible. Unlike banks with central servers that can be hacked or single points of failure, Bitcoin has operated for over 16 years without being breached at the protocol level. There's no centralized database to hack or attack. No trust is required. Security is enforced by pure mathematics. The protocol can be upgraded to stronger standards over time. In a world full of hacks and bail-ins, Bitcoin is the fortress. Now, let's talk about where Bitcoin shines brightest: its monetary integrity. Fiat currencies can be printed endlessly through government deficits, credit expansion, and policy decisions. This debases them, eroding your purchasing power through inflation. With Bitcoin, that's impossible. It has a fixed supply of exactly 21 million coins forever. The issuance schedule is hard-coded, transparent, and unchangeable by anyone. No governments, no central banks, no politics. Look at the proof with gold and the US dollar. In 1970, gold was about $36 an ounce. Today, in late 2025, it's over $4,300. Gold did not change, but the dollar lost over 99% of its purchase value against real assets. Bitcoin shows this even more dramatically. Let's look at the median U.S. home price. Around 2016, a home cost about $288,000, which was roughly 664 Bitcoin. By 2020, a home was $329,000, or about 45 Bitcoin. In 2024, it was $435,000, costing around 6 or 7 Bitcoin. And now in 2025, with prices between $415,000 and $440,000, and Bitcoin high over $120,000. That same house cost roughly less than 4 Bitcoin. The price in dollars rose, but in Bitcoin, it got cheaper. Bitcoin absorbed the inflation, preserving and growing purchasing power. This is hard money in action. Bitcoin is also the most portable wealth ever invented. You can send any amount, millions or just fractions, across the globe in minutes with tiny fees. No permission needed. Compare that to moving fiat money, which involves banks, forms, delays, and high costs. Or moving gold, a logistical nightmare with shipping risks and expenses. And real estate? It's immovable. With Bitcoin, wealth is pure information. You can memorize your seed phrase and cross borders with billions of dollars worth of value, cost-free. That's true financial freedom. Storing Bitcoin is essentially free. No vaults, no insurance premiums, no maintenance, and no decay. Contrast that with gold, which requires secure storage and insurance fees. Real estate has taxes, upkeep, and degradation. Cash is a guaranteed loss to inflation. And stocks have management fees. A Bitcoin holding in a cold wallet costs nothing while it holds or gains value. It's pure efficiency. Bitcoin is designed to survive anything: wars, earthquakes, bank collapses, capital controls. As long as the internet exists somewhere on the planet, Bitcoin lives. There's no central vault to raid, no headquarters to bomb, no switch to flip. Its decentralization makes it antifragile. Every single transaction is public on the blockchain, verified globally, and impossible to fake or double spend. The proof-of-work system guarantees its integrity. Fiat money can be counterfeited. Gold needs to be assayed. With Bitcoin, anyone can verify its authenticity instantly and independently. It's true auditability. One Bitcoin is divisible into 100 million smaller units called satoshis. This makes it perfect for tiny micropayments or massive transfers with no friction at any scale. It's money that adapts seamlessly. Ultimately, Bitcoin is the only asset you can own absolutely. With self-custody using your private keys, no one can seize it without your consent. There's no conditional ownership like property taxes or frozen accounts. It's all enforced by code, not by fallible rulers. So Bitcoin is secure. Transparent, portable, divisible, verifiable, inflation-resistant, cost-free to store, disaster-proof, and truly yours. It's not just digital gold or speculative tech. Bitcoin is money redesigned for our digital civilization governed by unbreakable rules. In an era of eroding trust and endless currency dilution, Bitcoin restores sound monetary principles enforced by code. Want to go deeper and see this for yourself? You can understand Bitcoin through on-chain data. Visit SaaTSystem.com to access on-chain analysis tools to track network activity, analyze holder behavior, and spot real trends in adoption. Bitcoin is the most transparent money ever created. Verify it yourself. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and think independently about the future of money.